to another unboxing video. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And today is going to be an interesting unboxing because it's not tech related at all. I am going on a road trip in a couple of weeks for Christmas, and I can't take my Nespresso machine. The hotel's probably going to have like that really shitty coffee that all hotel rooms usually have. And obviously during the trip, I will be going to like Starbucks or something to get coffee. But when I'm in the room, I wanted to have good coffee without taking a gigantic machine with me. So I asked a colleague at work and he gave me some tips on what he uses. So I'm going to unbox everything that I would need. So we'll start from smallest to largest. First, we have the Lewis & Clark dual voltage immersion heater. So this is the first piece right here. And obviously this is to heat the water up. So let's open it and see what this, well, that's what it looks like right here. Now let's open it up. So what I could tell you about this from what I've read is, well, first let me see what's in here. I really don't feel like ripping the box, but it looks like we have the instructions, an adapter, and the device. And simply enough, I'll take it out of the plastic. This plugs into any outlet. As you can see, this portion is what heats the water. And what you do is you plug it in. I think it automatically turns on. I don't see an on button. So once you turn it on, you hook this piece here to the lid, and this metal portion is submerged in the water, and it'll heat your water up. That's number one. Since a lot of smaller hotel rooms don't have stoves, and you're not going to bring a pot, unless you're going somewhere where the room is like $500 a night or $1,000 a night, you might have a stove. You could heat up the water on your own. But for what I need it for, this will heat the water up for me. Number two, second smallest, is the Hario Ceramic Coffee Mill Mini Slim Plus Coffee Grounder right here. So if you're going to go travel and you want to bring your own coffee, you'll have to bring your own beans, and you're not going to want to bring a big electric grounder. So this is a small portable one. It says it makes 2 cups. So here's the packaging right here. Also picked this up from Amazon. And let's open this box. Okay. All right. Just doing this carefully. All right, I got everything out of the box. Obviously, number one, we have the instruction manual right here. Put that to the side. We have, this is the tool to rotate the grinder. And this is the grounder itself. So as you can see, yeah, it says 2 cups. Try to get that glare off. 1, 2. This piece attaches to the top. So I think it's made so you could travel. It pops on and off, but it is fairly tight. And that is how you would ground up the coffee. Pop that top off again. Looks like the base screws off. And I don't want to break this. I'm assuming the top pops off as well. So you have the top. Grounds going here. Pop the top back on. This looks like you screw the base back on. Attach the lever. And go to town. Enough for 2 cups of coffee, or maybe 2 cups of grounds. And then depending on how big of a pot you have, you might have to ground more. So portable grinder. And last but not least is the French press. right here. This is the Vekin French press coffee maker. This is a 34 ounce. I currently own a small one from IKEA, so this is an upgrade. And this is the biggest piece. So it technically doesn't look travel size because it's a 34 ounce French press, but it'll fit in your bag. Like, it's not humongous. And if you want really good coffee, I'm guessing you'd be willing to take it. And I'm going to try. So I'll obviously report back the week after Christmas. All right. First piece of styrofoam off. You got a little box in there. Put that there. We have French press. Let's get this off. Cool. Nice metal French press. Stainless steel. I do not want to take that off right now. Okay. Comes with a nice metal mixing spoon. That's really nice, actually. Really well made. Put that down. This, what is this? Not quite sure what this is. I actually have no idea what this is, but I would assume this goes in there. I don't know. It feels like a sponge, so I'm guessing this is to clean it. I don't know. But let's put that back. All right. We have the manual. Let's see if this says what it is. I don't even know. I don't know. Sorry. Right here, we have the 2 filters that it comes with. 2 small filters. And this box, let me move this. This box here. What's in here? Okay. So it comes with a really, really tiny milk frother. That's actually pretty cool. I've never actually used one of these handheld ones. I have the Nespresso branded milk frother, which is awesome. And you can see that in some of my videos because I've made, I think, pumpkin spice lattes and eggnog lattes on here. All right, but this is it. This is the French press, 34 ounce. Stainless steel. Oh, it's double wall too. This is really nice. And it's late. You can't really see it. Oh, you can a little bit. There's some labels in there. Shows you the max label, 8.5 ounce, 17, 25, and 34. So it lets you know exactly how much water is in there. So it has, like I said, 2 extra filters, but it already has 2 filters on there. So it's all ready to go once you get it. And the top of the French press, as you can see, is indented. So when you have this towards the spout, you could pour straight out. So you could turn it to lock it and then turn it right back so you could pour the water out. So that is pretty sweet. And you could see there's the little picture of the water droplet there, so you know when you're able to pour the water out. And that is the Vekin French press, 34 ounce French press. Everything I'm showing you here I got on Amazon. So the French press, the coffee grinder, and the portable water heater. And I'll put the links in the description below. But what I'm going to do now, actually before I go on vacation, I'll probably test this like right now and post another video of like how it works, if it's easy, how much it makes, and stuff like that. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys on the Wecken 34-ounce French press and coffee grinder and portable water heater. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything you want me to test and get back to you guys on, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, once I test it out, I'll record a new video. So like, subscribe again, hit that notification bell as you've been doing, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace, guys.